Hello folks, today we are looking at a Harris Tri-Toon, beautiful cruisers model with BlackOut package. Interior is all moonlight gray. This is a center walkthrough dual helm layout. Nice swim platform extended on the back. Ski tow stainless steel ladder. A 10-foot power bimini. This boat is equipped with a 150 horse Merc 4-stroke. Nice high back helm chairs. A ton of great storage underneath all of the seats. Movable cup holder. USB charging at all of the seats. And this boat is loaded with everything you need to hit the water. All your life jackets, safety gear, anchor, paddle, you name it, all included. Boat has just 21 original hours on it. Has been owned for less than a year. Nice flip up table here. Also comes with a table that's in storage that you can put in two different areas. At the helm, more charging, 12 volt USB, Bluetooth stereo, and a nice touchscreen Go 7 display from Simrad. In the rear, battery with shutoff switch, more storage, cup holders, charging. This boat's ready to hit the water today. Come see us.